Dusting. We all do it, but how many of us really understand the difference between regular dusting and high dusting? Regular dusting involves cleaning surfaces that are within easy reach. Regular dusting helps in reducing allergens and keeping the space presentable. High dusting. This involves cleaning areas that are out of regular reach, usually above eye level. This targets areas that collect dust over time and are often overlooked. Sometimes, high dusting can involve areas that are too dangerous for even standard cleaning methods. Buildings such as industrial or commercial warehouses, with ceilings reaching 30 to 40 feet or even higher, present a risk for those unprepared. Fortunately, VHH Services has a team of professionals ready to reach these heights. This type of dusting requires more than just a microfiber cloth and an extender. Dusting this high may require items such as boom lifts, safety harnesses, helmets, and even more. For this reason, it's important to have a team of experienced and trained professionals who know what they're doing. Just because you might not see the dust, it is still important that these areas be cleaned for both health and safety reasons. Given that many state and federal regulations require frequent cleaning to maintain air quality standards, high dusting should be a priority. Cleaning services can involve risks, and so it's important for you to hire the right team to do it right the first time. Contact VHH Services to know more and see how we can help you.